never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show.
Mga spoiler na res, chrome, yan, yung back door natin, meron na siyang chrome. Plate holder, ayan, dalawang camera, yan, tailpipe, yan, ganda oh. So every wagon emblem, yan, titingnan natin dito, yan, meron tayong dalawang storage box, magkabilaan po yan mga kol, ayan, taillight, every wagon original. Yan. So ganda ng kulay. Pearl na pearl. Pearl white. Ayan. Power slide. So meron tayong headrest, armrest, cup holder. Ayan. So pwede natin yan i-fold. Ayan. So power window na po lahat yung ating unit mga kol. Yan. Check natin dito. Ayan o. So ito yung kanyang front na upuan. So driver side, din ito yung ating passenger side. Ito yung ating gas tank opener. Ayan. So dito yung ating gas tank opener. So ayan. Ito yung ating console box. 9 inches touchscreen stereo with reverse camera. Meron din tayong dashcam, Lenovo. Ayan. So meron tayong temperature gauge doon. Ayan, try natin start. Ayan, check natin sa kabila. Ganda, super ganda ng unit oh. Pearl white. Ayan, powered by Pearl white. So ayan, so try natin start. Ayan, ikotin natin konti yung manibela. Ayan, start, temperature gauge. Anong gana. So ayan oh. So yan, ito yung ating Android stereo. Yan, naka-aircon yan. Lamig ng aircon, no? Yan. So, yan Yan yung ating aircon. Yung dashcam. Ayan, pwede natin yan. Lenovo. Ayan. So, ito yung likuran. Ayan, hindi kita sa camera. Ayan. So, meron tayong lagayan dito. Ayan. Oh, ayan. So, ganda. So, meron tayong pedal accessories. Ayan o. Yan yung pedal accessories natin. Ayan o. Meron tayong mga lagayan dito. Yan, hazard switch. Ganda o. Aircon. Lamig. Ayan o. So, dito tayo mag-adjust ng hangin ng ating aircon. Ayan o. So, ganda na yung dashcam natin o. So, very comfortable. Ayan o. Power steering na rin yung unit natin. So, ganito setup mga kol. 15 inches. Fully custom brand new tire. Brand new mags. Android na po yung ating mga stereo. Meron tayong dashcam. So, mid-to-order basis po tayo mga kol. Ayan. Complete LTO registered. Ayan. Kayo na yung mamili ng kulay kung ano yung kulay yung gusto nyo po. So, yan. So, try natin yung power ng ating makina. Ayan. Powerful. So, ganda. So, yung unit natin, bagong change oil na po yan mga kol. Bagong ETF. Ayan. Check up na natin yung pang-ilalim natin. So, yan, overdrive. Ayan, gana yung ating overdrive. So, off natin. Or on natin, then off. Ayan, yan yung sistema kung naka-off yung ating overdrive. Ayan. So, babaan natin konti yung ating blower. So, yeah. So, yan lang yung ating video for today mga kol. Ayan, sa bago lang sa ating channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then click the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next video uploads kayo ito. So, medyo pricey yung not cheap price yung ating unit na to kasi fully custom na po siya. So, yan lang mga kol. Ingat po kayo lagi. And bye-bye. God bless po.